Enjoy an exotic day, class 8. Let's be together in our English online class. Today we are going to go through worksheet number 25 and the topic is notice writing. Now in notice writing, today we are going to do about meetings. If we have to frame notices about meetings, then which content we have to follow, we will learn. First of all, let's go through the heading. As Charul Gupta, the school captain of Lord Krishna Public School, Jabalpur, write a notice inviting the captains of various sports teams of your school to discuss about organizing a sports feat in the school. Invent details and put the notice in box. The word limit is given 50 words. Students, you have to follow the same pattern of heading. First you will mention the name of the institution, that is Lord Krishna Public School, Jabalpur. You will mention it here in capital letters. Then this is the notice, then date will come, then heading. अब heading किस बारे में है? मीटिंग होनी है, बट किसके? ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स कैप्टन्स. ऑल द स्पोर्ट्स कैप्टन्स की एक मीटिंग होगी. सो यू विल गिव द हेडिंग मीटिंग ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स कैप्टन. सो लेट्स गो थ्रू द कंटेंट. All the captains of various sports teams of the school are required to attend a meeting with vice principal, and of course you will mention the name of vice principal. Here it is given Mr. N.C. Dikshit. On किस दिन होगी? 6th नवंबर. एट टाइम इज़ गिवन 10 AM, सुबह 10 बजे होगी. इन द कहाँ पर होगी? इन द मीटिंग रूम. अब पर्पस क्या है मीटिंग का? टू डिस्कस अबाउट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ स्पोर्ट्स फीट इन द स्कूल. ऑल मस्ट रीच ऑन टाइम. अब स्टूडेंट्स देखिए, नोटिस कीजिए कि स्पोर्ट्स फीट होनी है स्कूल में, तो ऑफ कोर्स अब सभी स्पोर्ट्स होंगी वहाँ पर. सो दैट इज़ वाई यू आर इन्वाइटिंग ऑल द कैप्टन्स ऑफ वेरियस स्पोर्ट्स टीम. एक मीटिंग होगी एंड जिनके साथ होगी यू विल मेंशन द नेम, द डेट, द टाइम एंड द वेन्यू जहाँ पर होगी. एंड लास्ट बाय कंक्लूडिंग यू विल गिव द सिग्नेचर्स ऑफ द पर्सन who is writing the notice, who is drafting the notice. The name of the person will be given and the designation of the person. The person is school captain. I hope the notice is clear to you. Now let's go through the undone notices. Notice number 7. It is given at page number 55. Let's go through the heading first. You are Ronnie or Jamaica. The name of the boy is given Ronnie and the girl is Jamaica. Secretary of the cultural club. आपकी डेजिग्नेशन क्या है? आप कल्चरल क्लब के सेक्रेटरी हैं. ऑफ द गंगा इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ऋषिकेश. द स्कूल इज सेलिब्रेटिंग इट्स ग्रैंड एनुअल कल्चरल डे ऑन द 28th of December. अब स्कूल में क्या है? एनुअल कल्चरल डे होगा एंड द डेट इज़ फिक्स्ड 28th December को है. Draft a notice to be put upon the notice board of your school informing the captains and vice captains of the houses to attend a meeting to take important decision on the matters related to the function. अब फंक्शन होना है, एनुअल कल्चरल फंक्शन है, तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ बिग it will be a big function. So all have to assemble, the captains and vice captains of all the houses, to discuss on the matters. Write a notice in about 50 words. The notice limit is 50 words. First you will write the heading as usual. We go on. Like this we have written the heading, then notice what, then the date will be mentioned. After that a suitable heading will be given. Appropriate heading should be there. Now this is a meeting, so attention house captains and vice captains. Is it okay? You are giving them attention warning. Now let us go through the content. All house captains, all house, you are inviting them house captains, and vice captains, you are inviting both of them, and vice captains must attend, it's compulsory, must attend a meeting with the principal now you see that annual cultural day will be held, the date is decided 28th of December. So meeting should be done earlier to make all the arrangements with the principal on, let us decide the date 18th November, because all the arrangements will have to be made November at, कहाँ पर होगी, at 2 PM, कितने बजे, at 2 PM in the principal office, in the principal's office, principal's apostrophe s office. Now to take, अब मीटिंग किस लिए है, to take important decisions on the matters related to the function. Now to take important decisions regarding the annual cultural day, regarding the annual cultural day, और डेट क्या फिक्स की है उसकी, टू बी हेल्ड ऑन 28th December. So you will mention the date, to be held on 28th of December. All must reach on time, as the meeting is with principal sir. All must reach on time. Full stop. Now if you are a girl, you will go with the name Jamaica, and if you are a boy, you will go with the name Ronnie. So first signatures, then full name, then designation, आप क्या हैं, secretary of the culture club, you are the secretary of the, you will mention, you have to mention the cultural club. Is it okay? I hope class, again last but not the least, you have to put the notice in the box, make a box to give the notice a complete look. I hope class that this notice is quite clear to you. Just go through it once again, read the heading and try to understand, and if the date is mentioned, the month is mentioned, you have to go accordingly. Is it okay? For example, if we are, the function will be held on 28th December, then we have selected the date of meeting 18th November, and the notice will be drafted little bit earlier, 16th November. Class, go through the notice once again and do practice. Thank you class. Good.